I am going to show you my first experience in Cambly. And if you see it, and if you watch my recent videos also, you will see how I improved my English skills by using Cambly. And okay, let's move on to video and see how I improved my English skills and what can you do.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I am okay. What are you doing now?
My ears to hear you and my
Yes,
glasses
yes,
to
I
see
can.
you.
It is rabbit's ear. Yes.
No, not quite. Those are
Oh,
wolf ears.
wolf ear. Hmm.
Yeah, wolf
I,
ears.
I
Here, I'll
can
show
see.
you rabbit
Oh,
ears. Hold
yes,
on, I'll show you rabbit ears.
yes, you are right.
Mm.
I stuck on Facebook. I saw the idiom. The idiom drew my attention.
Okay,
Life is life is not about the quantity of friends you have. It is about the quality of friends you have.
okay.
You agree
That's
with
true.
right? Yes.
That's
That
true. That's on Facebook because everyone has,
yes.
500 friends.
Yes. I followed English speaking Facebook. English speaking,
Excellent.
yes, English speaking groups.
Well, that'll help you.
Yes.
Yeah, that'll help you a lot. That's a good idea.
There are a lot of
Good.
foreign people.
Yeah, well, that
They
makes
want,
sense, doesn't it?
they want to learn English too. Yes.
Well, of course. That's a
I
very
will,
good way.
yes, I will add them.
Okay, do you respond?
Yes. I
Okay.
can do it. Yes, I will add you. But uh, they don't speak English. They don't they don't know English.
Well, if they're on the English website though, the English part of Facebook,
Mhm. I
well,
can do it.
they're trying. They're trying.
I am trying to do this. What have you been up to nowadays?
Oh, I've been playing tennis.
Oh,
That's what I've been doing. So this morning I played good tennis. It
mhm.
was fun. Hard. I
I
play hard.
table
But
tennis. No table tennis.
no real tennis, big
No,
tennis.
real. Mm. I don't
Yeah,
know tennis. I don't play tennis,
it's a good
but
game.
I sometimes play table tennis.
Okay, I can play table tennis as well. That's also a good game, very fast.
Yes, very fast. We have to very fast.
Yeah, you gotta be quick. You gotta be quick.
Yes.
All
When
right,
will
what
you
about
retire?
you?
When will you
Pardon?
retire?
I don't know. I don't
I
know.
about this.
Well, you know what? I figured out that I could speak online like this
Hmm.
and do this for a very long time. So is this work?
Yes. Do you like this work?
Yeah, I think it's fun. It's it's
Yes.
it's it's enjoyable. It's not hard, and I
You
can
meet a
sit.
lot of
Huh?
people. You meet
Yeah,
a lot
you
of
meet.
people.
Yeah, and I'm at my house. I have my dogs here. Do you want to see my dogs? Wait a second.
Oh,
Hold it. Hold it.
your room is beautiful. Yes. Oh, dog. Oh, very big. This dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I'm
you
at
like
my
it?
house.
Oh,
Yeah. So it's not bad. I don't have to dress up.
yes. I like dogs, but my family doesn't allow me
Why not? What?
because dogs are dirty.
No, they're not dirty. They're a little bit, but so what? So are people.
And they want to go out every day. Dogs want yes,
That's for sure they do.
but sometimes I don't stay in my house in winter.
Well, it takes a lot of work. You got to take care of them. I
Yes,
have three,
yes,
and I take them out every day, and I take them for a walk, and they give exercise, and they eat a whole lot of food. A
yes.
whole lot of food. So can you imagine how much they eat?
Maybe I can
And
buy a cat.
pardon?
I can buy a cat.
A cat? Yeah, I have a cat also. Cats are
Oh,
much easier.
yes,
Cats
but
are much
cat is angry. Cat is,
That's for sure. That's
yes.
for sure. If you're
I don't know
bad,
in English. Bat uh, can be, yes.
well, cats, if you treat a cat badly, it'll attack you. It'll
And
remember.
the cat destroyed the furniture.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure.
Yes.
And
My
then you
family
hold
will
it. Woof, woof. Come here. Come here. No, she wants to go eat. All right. But yeah, maybe you should try a cat.
yes. Maybe I can buy it. Yes. I study hard nowadays because my exams are approaching. They
Your
are
exams
coming,
are what? Your exams are what? Say it again.
approaching, approaching,
Approaching. Okay. Your
approaching.
exams are
Yes.
approaching. Okay.
Approaching is correct or coming?
Yeah, same thing. Either one. The verb means the same. My exams are approaching. My exams are coming. It's the same.
Yes. I can use both of them.
Yes, you can.
It's all
Okay.
right.
So when are your exams?
What are your exams?
When?
When? After 3 weeks.
Oh, 3 weeks from now?
Yes. After the Ramadan. Yes.
Are you going to school now?
Yes. I go to school, but
Yeah, but right now, during Ramadan, do you still go to school?
later one week we don't go to school. We won't go to school.
Wait. Okay, explain. For
Yes.
Ramadan is 1 month long. Okay.
Yes.
So
Okay.
how, as a university student, how do you go to school? How is university handled during Ramadan?
Handle. What does handle means? I
Occur.
don't remember.
What is the schedule for university students during Ramadan?
Don't go to school. We are fasting.
All right, so you don't go to school
Yes. We don't
for
go.
the whole Ramadan.
Yes.
Okay, so now don't get offended, but isn't that sort of a waste of your vacation? What do you do during the day?
Okay. We go to cinema. We study hard.